If you want to burn fat rather than glucose, Bulletproof Coffee is a really great way to start your day. And the benefits, long-lasting energy, focus, mental clarity, and no hunger pangs. So let's make a bulletproof coffee that is all plant-based. It's got no dairy, it's lactose-free, it's gluten-free, it is really low in carbohydrates, super high in energy because it's packed with medium chain triglycerides, otherwise known as MCTs. Now, the start of your day is so important. Getting it right, that first 1 to 2 hours, is the most important part of the day. So if you don't get the start of your day off right, the rest of the day is a kind of a slippery slope to wasting the most precious thing we have, and that is our time. I'd like to share with you one of my favorite morning routines, and that is a plant-based, dairy-free bulletproof coffee. And why is it so good? Bulletproof Coffee sustains your energy all the way till lunchtime without having to have breakfast. It gives you the focus you need, it keeps you mentally alert, and it prevents you from feeling hungry all the way into the afternoon. So you can have a super productive morning. And guys, it tastes awesome. So if you're with me, you'll need fresh hot coffee, and that can be plunger coffee, instant coffee, barista coffee if you have a machine. And of course you will need the all essential energy packed MCT oil. And of course you will need a plant-based milk that can handle the heat, because a lot of plant-based milks, when you heat them up, they split and they cause the coffee to separate. So be sure that you're using Barista plant-based milk, and there are a lot of plant-based milks on the market out there that taste really, really awful. So I highly recommend the alternative milk company. They do a fabulous Barista almond milk, and it tastes really creamy. It has a subtle nutty flavor. But my recent favorite is this Barista tiger nut milk. It is really high in protein. It contains high quality olive oil, 0 additives. It has all the minerals and vitamins that cow's milk has. And it takes way less water to produce than any other milk out there. And tiger nuts, well, they're not actually nuts, they're root vegetables. And that sounds a bit weird, doesn't it? But it is the best plant-based milk I have ever tasted. And I only just discovered this milk, it probably was 2-3 weeks ago at a local coffee shop, and I was sold. So if you have the chance to try it out, go for it. Let's make our bulletproof coffee. And guys, this is my amazing start to the day, my bulletproof coffee. I have done my power yoga, I'm ready for the day, and now just a 20-minute interlude to relax and enjoy my bulletproof coffee. Cheers. It tastes so good. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.